For those who don't know, we pulled an old Apache aircraft out of a field last fall with the idea of making it look nice again to put it on its public display. The fuselage went down to Stony Creek where our structures students have been working at patching up holes and straightening it. This weekend I've had a bunch of students in and we've been taking stuff out of the aircraft, stuff we don't need for static display to make the wings lighter, easier to handle. And then the stuff that we are going to reuse, like some of the engine mount equipment and landing gear, we're currently taking apart and cleaning up so we can make it look pretty basically. We're dealing with a lot of corrosion, nothing is coming apart easily. And aside from taking the wings apart mechanically, as you can see on the floor, we've been busy evicting probably 3 or 4 families of squirrels or other kinds of rodents as well. Anytime you can turn one of our students loose on a nice old airplane like the one we're working on now, or our own airplanes, it makes it a little bit more real for them. They enjoy it that much more. I'm hoping at least we'll be ready to put this airplane together about a year from now. So yeah, we want to do a nice big kind of a presentation sort of thing when we put it on its display pad down in the lower city. So realistically, I think probably a year from this spring we'll be ready to put it out there. As Don McVicker from the foundation likes to say, we're ready for landing, so he just needs an airplane.